you know, you can no longer believe your eyes, or you can no longer believe what you're hearing. For all these years, you used to testify by saying that I have seen it with my own eyes. I have heard this clearly. This can be a lie. But what if the things that you're hearing or the things that you're seeing is a complete lie? What's then?
Welcome to the age of deepfake. In this age of deep lies, you'll be drowned in deception every day. Fake people will talk in the videos with real people faces. Yes, you have heard that right. This is called deepfake technology. As technology advances, the use of deepfake naturally increases, depending on the artificial intelligence. Perfect and emotional expressions are being created. This has gone so far that the great Lionel Messi has approved a deepfake version of himself to be used in advertisement. Yes, Messi would no longer have to spend extra time on shooting commercials. However, deepfake manipulation has started much earlier. What does this scene from the Oscar-winning Forrest Gump movie remind you of? Yes, Forrest Gump was standing in front of the US President John F. Kennedy. But Mr. Kennedy was killed in 1963, and Forrest Gump was filmed in the 1990s. Yes, Robert Zemeckis used archival footages of John F. Kennedy in this scene to bring him back to life nearly after 30 years of his death. That too was deepfake. It is used in many Hollywood movies. In the last installment of Indiana Jones, The Dial of Destiny, the old Harrison Ford was shown as a young man by this technology. Recently, there was quite a discussion over the newscasting of a so-called AI presenter on a TV channel in India. Many say that the world of news has entered a new era, but here, the actual deepfake technology was not even used. Your naked eye can tell that the presenter's expression lacks emotional output. We don't think that this manipulation of deepfake technology will catch the masses so easily. Actually, the matter is not so simple. A lot has to be done to create a real AI presenter or actor character. The AI model has to be trained with a large amount of data or information, including the prescribed voice, language, and its different emotional expressions. Then the fake version of the AI presenter or actor will behave like a real human. It's important to note that lip-synced character animation and AI-based deepfake technology are not the same at all. A deepfake character will have the same emotional output as a real character. He will smile when he is happy. He will be surprised as we are. If he is embarrassed, his expression will tell you that. Apart from the looks and faces, voices can be cloned and deepfaked too.
To be a celebrity.
Turns out, you can train any voice you want, even your own.
The rise of generative AI has led to the proliferation of deepfake songs that can mimic the vocals, tones, or sounds of established artists quite accurately. But in this case, there was a copyright infringement involved. That is why Google and Universal Music are in talks to license artists' tunes and vocals for songs created with AI. Deepfake technology by the hands of AI will change the course of the future world. As technology becomes easier to use, deepfakes are becoming a regular weapon. Deepfakes have started being used for political and nefarious purposes. It is said that the use of deepfake will be out in the politics of the future. However, the impact of deepfakes might be more serious to one's personal life. Such an incident happened in Bangladesh. An offensive video of an entrepreneur named Noreen Afroz Pia has gone viral. Noreen went through an embarrassing situation in her personal and social life. Not only that, after the video was circulated, she was also threatened by email. A huge sum of money was demanded. Basically, the miscreants made the obscene video using deepfake technology, using numerous pictures of her that she posted on social media. Isn't it shocking? For a long time, many people used to make these fake videos targeting celebs for fun. From Hollywood's Natalie Portman to former US President Donald Trump, no one was spared. But now, it is being misused by cybercriminals as this technology becomes more available to general people. For over a century, audio and video have served as a basis of truth and witness. But now, it is under threat. Despite having videos, some people still question historical events like Holocaust and the moon landing. Imagine how much distrust and conspiracy theories is going to create now. Although, experts believe that deepfake technology is not yet sufficient to forge large-scale historical events. But now it's quite possible that it will be more sophisticated in the near future. It is estimated that the global market for generative AI will exceed $110 billion by 2030. A recent study found that AI-generated audio has become so perfect that 1 in 4 people can't even tell whether a voice is real or fake. It's hard to tell the difference now, even in the case of videos. So what to do now? How are you going to understand whether it's original or a copy? But you can use its own medicine. The same is happening in this case. Preparations are underway to harness AI to catch AI manipulation. There is a lot of research on this right now, but in general, if you observe some things, you can catch the deepfake. According to US researchers, deepfake faces do not normally have eyelids. Are you thinking that AI is capable of doing so much but can't blink an eye? No wonder. Most of the images used to train the AI are still images of people with their eyes open. And that is why the algorithm hasn't yet mastered something as important as blinking. Low-quality deepfakes are quite easy to spot. In that case, lip syncing is going to be a big factor. Abnormal expansion or contraction of the faces may occur. Abnormalities will be noticed if the hair and teeth are not properly manipulated. However, there is no cause of relief as yet. Keep your eyes and ears open for now. Don't just trust your eyes or ears, because deepfake can cause your social and political and even personal problems in the near future.